Christmas is starting now. Let's get into it. Right after that intro, roll that intro.
I just wanna see the light.
Hi all, Keith here. Welcome to the video. Before we go too much further, make sure you pause the video and click that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. All right, everyone. In this one, I just want to give you a quick overview of our Christmas decorations this year because we got them up and I'm super excited about Christmas. I don't know about you. Do you have your Christmas decorations up? Let me know in the comments down there below, but let's take a look at our Christmas decorations, and I'll show you some of my favorite ornaments on the tree too. All right, everyone. I want to start way up here with our newest addition here. We got this new light up star with Mickey and Minnie on it. I don't know, I really like it. But one thing you'll notice about our tree though is this. You notice Garfield, and you'll notice a lot of Garfield on our tree, actually. See Garfields everywhere here. And that's because, actually when I was younger, I used to collect Garfield ornaments, and every year Hallmark came out with a new Garfield ornament, and so I'd pick up the newest Garfield ornament, so I still have them for all these years later, and that's why our tree is, you would think, mostly Disney, but actually it's mostly Garfield. This one right here is actually one of our favorite ones we got in the Christmas place, the incredible Christmas place, my bad, in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. It's a little wooden cottage here. It's got, if you look closely, I don't know if you can see, but Santa's in there taking a nap. And it's also pretty cool because you can stick a Christmas light through and make it whatever color you want. I also got these when they came out a few years ago. It's the Hatbox Ghost. I believe that one is Disneyland. And right here, I believe that this one is the Disney World version, but I could be wrong. I don't remember because it's been a few years. But anyway, that's the Hatbox Ghost. Now, right here, we are actually at Walt Disney World on the 40th, but it's the 50th right now. So if we go back, we'll have to get a new ornament. Who knows what this ornament's from? Leave me a comment down below and let me know. It's one of our favorite movies. Hint, hint. And Lauren got this one a few years ago at the incredible Christmas place at Pigeon Forge. It's really pretty. It's like a little girl holding a toy soldier. Really like that one too. All right. Here's one of my earliest Garfield ornaments that I had. I love it. It's like a little elf Garfield. He's really super cute. And right here we have the Hitchhiking Ghost from the Haunted Mansion. Because, you know, I love the Haunted Mansion too. And if you guys know us, you know we love Jim Shore. So, of course, we have to have some Jim Shore ornaments. And, of course, it's Disney. This is Buzz Lightyear with a candy cane. Also, this is my favorite ornament of all time that I have. That's Garfield. It's Garfield. He's in his little cap with Pookie in the box. And his little bunny slippers are fuzzy. It's so adorable. And here's another one of our Jim Shore ones. It's Woody here holding some Christmas lights. He's pretty awesome, too. Love him. And here's the last Jim Shore one that we had, Toy Story themed, of course. It's the alien, and he's being picked up by the candy cane. That one's awesome. We also got Harry Potter here because, you know, we're big Harry Potter fans too. So, of course, we had to have Harry on his broomstick. All right, that was all of the Christmas tree that I'm going to show you. We have a ton more ornaments on there, but in order to keep this thing moving, we'll just move on to the mantle. First, these are our stockings. This is mine, Santa. And we have these really cute ones we got this year, actually, from Shop Disney with the kids' names on it. From Walt's Holiday Lodge. I love the pattern on the back there, too. And this is Lauren. She's got Minnie Mouse, of course. Also from Walt's Holiday Lodge. And her pattern there's a little bit different color, but still really awesome. Love it. And then Chrissy's is over here. She loves snowmen, so of course she has the snowman stocking. And here's our Jim Shore holiday collection we got going on here. Of course, we got the Grinch right there. We got Rudolph right there. We got a snowman with Mickey and Minnie, yes. We got Rudolph right there. Of course, these are all Jim Shores. And there's Donald. There's Mickey. And yes, we have Donald too, because we love Donald. But also we got Jack and Sally right there. Because, The Nightmare Before Christmas is a Christmas movie. And we got Rudolph with the abominable snowman right there. We got Chip and Dale decorating a snowman back there. And Mickey and Minnie right in front of them. And so here's our little overview of everything we got with our light up garland. Okay, so also we'll go up the stairs next and check out Nathan's Christmas tree he has in his room, because of course we got Christmas trees in different rooms. Okay, so going up the stairs, of course we're festive up the stairs as well, with lights at the top and the bottom there. There's the lower end. It goes all the way up to Nathan's room. Okay, and here's Nathan's tiny Christmas tree he's got, all decked out with little baubles everywhere and some garland, even a candy cane. And it's got like a little other Christmas tree on there. It's a aluminum one, but it's really cool. We got it in brown caddy one year. He's also got a nutcracker. It's a snow globe. And, of course, some more Jim Shore right there with Charlie Brown. And there's a Snoopy and Woodstock ornament right behind it. All right, and Lauren wanted to show you her Mickey and Minnie snow globe that she got back in 2019. That's adorable. Oh, you're going to make it snow for him? Yes, neat. Oh, yep. Good job. Looks cool. Also, this year we got new placemats. It's actually the Grinch Who Stole Christmas. We got the Grinch and Max there. It's pretty festive. And also, it's going to be a little blown out behind this because it's still daytime, but we got Christmas lights all the way around our front door. And I like this guy. He's our little snowman. And oh no, he's tangled up in the lights. No. Also, we got these Jingle Bells. But fun fact about that, we used to have those Jingle Bells on the pantry door, but it was kind of like an alarm if the kids were going in and sneaking food or whatever. So they didn't like it. So we ended up moving it to the front door. Okay, I'm going to take you outside and show you the outside lights. But obviously, since it's still a little bit light outside, we've got about an hour and a half until it gets dark. So we'll wait till it gets dark and go outside and take a look at all of our Christmas lights out there too. See you in a second. Okay, it finally got dark, so we're outside checking out the lights, and we got these cool snowmen that kind of leads to these LED lights. And then I got snowman in the windows, more snowman over here, pretty cool. Snowman in the window. And here's kind of a wider shot of the house. Up there, it's hard to tell a little bit, but that's a Christmas tree LED right there. And if I make it just a little bit brighter, you can see we have like snowflakes being projected on the top of the house up there, which is pretty cool. And on the side of the house here, we got like a laser projector thing. And you can't really see the snowflakes so well, but the Christmas trees come off real well, don't they? So one last overview here before we go back inside. But this is our outside decorations. We don't go too crazy because here in January, when it's time to take down the Christmas decorations, it is super cold outside. So the least amount of things we can have up outside, the better for us. But anyway, let's go back inside where it's warm. All right, everyone, we're going to go ahead and end it here, but make sure you hang out for just a little bit longer because we'll have some ending cards with some video suggestions, and we'd love it if you'd watch another video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Click the join button down there below to find out all the great benefits in becoming a member of the channel. If you want to support the channel but want a little less commitment, head on over to our coffee page. It's just a way for you to drop us like a virtual tip or buy us a coffee. Any way you choose to support the channel, we really appreciate it. Alright everyone, we'll catch you in the next video. Thanks a lot for watching. Peace and love.